Okay, this thing came really quick. I ordered it off eBay, but it was Speedway Motors. It's really nice. It's not got any mold marks in it. They said it might have them, but it's got a smooth gel coat finish on it, and it's heavy, it's thick, and the bottom of it's not even bad. Now the only thing I did like is it doesn't have any scoop. It's not a scoop, it doesn't have any vents cut in it. I really didn't want vents cut in it because I think I'm going to mount it kind of like this to the front and this to the back, and I may cut a vent in the back like the teardrops are, but this is a pretty cheap one. I mean, this was the $120, $130 one, whatever it was. I couldn't be happier with it. I don't know how it's gonna look on the hood. It's I don't know if you can tell, it's pretty big. It's 20 some inches wide and maybe almost 4 foot long. But I think this is gonna be the back. That's gonna be the front. I don't know. I won't know till I get it set on the hood and see what I like. But it should more than be able to cut a hole big enough to clear all my carburetors I want to put on the car and the linkages. That was the main thing, is to clear the linkage too. And I may make a pan come up from underneath to get air from above the hood of the car, not inside the heat of the car. But I'll have to come up with some kind of grill to go right there. If I cut that, put a grill there, something I can slide in there. So I have tempted to see if I can find a panel air cleaner set in there too from behind. But then again, that may be too restrictive because I'm going to have air cleaners on the carbs. So anyway, it seems it's a pretty nice piece. I'm pretty happy with it. Like I say, they said it might have mold marks on it, but it doesn't have any. It's smooth, and it's probably a 1/4 inch thick. I need more of a hump than a scoop anyway, just to clear those carburetors, and I think it should do it.